Excuse me, where I can get fast pass?
I'm sorry, all of our fast passes for the ride have been distributed today.
Oh, you will have more later?
No, they are finished for the day. We ran out around noon today.
The wait time is really 70 minutes?
Yes, this is the most popular ride in Disney World.
Why you stop making fast pass?
Fast passes are distributed based on a first-come, first-served basis.
So why I not have one?
Because you would have had to come to our fast pass distribution before noon today to obtain a fast pass for today.
That is not right. You should have warned me I cannot get fast pass afternoon.
Fast passes are distributed on a first-come, first-served basis. We run out at different points every day. It is not always guaranteed we will run out at a certain time.
You give me fast pass.
I am sorry, ma'am, there are no more fast passes for today. If you do not wish to wait in line, perhaps you can come later on tonight when the attraction is less busy.
This is the last thing I do today. I want to go now.
If you would like to experience Toy Story, our standby queue is right here through the store.
My child is tired. He cannot wait 70 minutes.
Unfortunately, the standby line is the only option available at this time.
I pay good money. You give me fast pass now.
No.
You bitch. You ruin my vacation.
Have a magical day.